Hello everybody, I want to show you with this video how you can insert a SIM card at the Google Pixel 9 Pro. For that we will need next to the phone the SIM ejection tool, and it's part of the box. And if you open the box, we will find here at the cover of the box another little box, and if we release it like this, so we wave, then we will find here on the back of the box this little card here with the SIM ejection tool. So just release it. And yeah, otherwise, by the way, you can use also, of course, the edge of the good old paper clip. Okay, and if you're having the phone like this, you will find now down the phone the SIM tray. And the part of the SIM tray is a small hole in there, and now you will need the edge of the SIM ejection tool or the paper clip. But please take care that you're using the hole which one is part of the SIM tray, because next to the SIM tray is another hole. This is a microphone. So please use the hole which one is part of the SIM tray. Okay, take now a SIM ejection tool and enter the hole which one is part of the SIM tray. Press a bit and the SIM tray will come out. Okay, this SIM tray is able to insert one nano SIM card, and yeah, let's start now. You need to place it like this so the contacts there on top. Press it well from both sides and you hear a little click noise. And this is how it should look like then. There's a missing corner on the SIM card that belongs to the missing corner on the SIM tray. It only fits like that. And yeah, as you can see, the contacts, they are on top. Okay, if you're ready with it, just put back the SIM card into the SIM slot. The contacts, they are on top here, as you can see, to the display side. Close it well. And yeah, that's it. I hope I could help you with this video and answer your question. And yeah, maybe if you want, you can leave me a nice comment or give me a thumbs up. That would be very helpful for my videos. Thank you so much for. And I've created also some other videos if you're interested in, with some more tips and tricks and so on. You can also subscribe me if you haven't done it before. Thank you so much. And yeah, by the way, you can use the phone as well as a dual SIM phone with an eSIM profile. So just ask your provider for that. Yeah, I hope to see you soon again, and maybe at the next time. Ciao.